Hi guys, I know it's been a while since my last cake tutorial, but I thought there's no time like the present than to have you join me making an Easter cake. So let's get started making this chocolate Easter bunny cake. Any supplies I may have left out, I'm going to go ahead and leave them down below in the description box. Hi guys, let's get started on this chocolate bunny Easter cake. Let's start with the supplies list. You'll need 1 bag of mini Cadbury eggs, 2 large cream-filled Cadbury eggs, 1 large Lindt chocolate bunny, a 1M piping tip, 5 disposable piping bags, and 5 cups of American buttercream. Start off baking your favorite cake into 3 layers. I baked this cake using a 5-inch cake pan, but you can bake it as a 6-inch cake if you'd prefer more servings. Make sure you level all your layers to approximately 1 to 1.5 inches in height each. You can level them shorter, but the height of this cake is part of its overall appeal. I colored my buttercream in pink, green, purple, and yellow. Make 3 rings of buttercream as shown here in alternating colors. Smooth it out with a warm offset spatula, then just make sure to smooth all the edges of your cake. Next, we crumb coat and chill our cake for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Use alternating colors of your choice and pipe your buttercream upward. Then smooth with a cake smoother. Make sure your buttercream is smooth and has no gaps. If there's gaps, just fill in with the leftover buttercream and smooth over the area. Swirl the top of your cake with buttercream as you did between each of your cake layers. Smooth the buttercream with either an offset spatula or cake smoother. Then chill your cake for another 30 minutes to 1 hour. While your cake is chilling, let's prepare your buttercream frosting for a swirl. Remember to use a 1M piping tip. Cake is now chilled and crusted. Time to clean up any imperfections using a damp paper towel and gently buffing out any imperfections. Now we move on to the candy drip. Warm 1 cup of melting chips and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Melt each in the microwave in 30-minute increments. Combine and stir to create your ganache. Mix until you have your desired consistency. If you like thinner ganache, just add more warm, heavy whipping cream. Pour ganache into a piping bag and cut a small hole and gently drip as shown here. Next, we finally get to use the swirled buttercream and swirl as shown here. Use even pressure towards the end of your bag and rotate your turntable. If you don't have a turntable, just use your opposite hand and gently rotate your cake board. Time to use your sprinkles. I use these sprinkles here, but you can use whichever you like. Remember to make this cake your own. And now comes the highlight of your cake, adding your chocolate Easter bunny. Okay guys, time to add your mini chocolate eggs. Remember to stand back, take a good look at your cake, then add a little more. You can add a little dab of buttercream to the eggs if your mini eggs have trouble adhering to your cake, but I just stuck them on directly. Use a little leftover buttercream to adhere the large Cadbury eggs to your cake, and there you have it, your chocolate Easter bunny cake. Thanks for creating this cake along with me. I know this Easter feels different than most considering all that's going on, but I hope that making this cake along with your kids and family will bring you together during this time, and most importantly, make memories. This cake was so delicious and was thoroughly enjoyed by my little family. Happy Easter, guys! Following along with me, and I hope this Easter you stay safe and you stay healthy and you make memories with your family. Thank you so much.